Hello and welcome to Finastro Cycles by Nitin Bhandari. So this is update on Nifty as of today's close. So yesterday's a quick review from yesterday. This was a monthly line and this was also a monthly line. There are two different ways of monthly line. One is a technical one is a Gann one. So I give importance to both the lines because it depends how the market is turning, and you can make your judgmental call that whether it is a bottom or not. So to my mind, it looks like Nifty is ready for a rally to maybe 2 to 10 days or up to 5 weeks of rally is possible. What can change to the Nifty? So this is a view that the rally is possible for up to 2 to 5 weeks or maybe up to 10 days based on the confirmation that Nifty sustains above 17,308 mother moving average basis futures price. Number one. Number two, it has to stay above 17,151. That's a very important level. And the number three, it needs to cross tomorrow or close above 17,270. So there are certain parameters I have put it here. Now, what can go wrong and what can happen to the Nifty if this view doesn't fall in a category where it has a success rate? So the stochastics, they are into oversold zone. They are coming up, and this stochastic here, it made a three curl ups. Actually, two curl ups and above are very good. Three curl up and above puts a uh, little bit of the stress on the bull side. So it needs to go above this mark, this line here tomorrow. Otherwise, it is susceptible to fall back. Now, why it can fall back or what can happen? This is a start of a new month, and look at these candles, monthly candles here. Not the candles, the monthly important trend reversal points as it was for the December. So if I put this as a big chart here, and this was a month, so let me put it and draw it on the draw it with the thicker lines. So now you see the boxes. This was a October, this month is a November. So what is the criteria? Today is the first day of the month, and I said that it needs to stay above it needs to stay above this monthly line 17,130. It also must stay above 16,850.10. That is the low of 29. That is the monthly low. So you see, the first time since 2020 March, Nifty has made two consecutive lower lows. A third consecutive lower low below this will put it into big trouble, and then the prices, the targets will be much lower. So it is good that it quickly crosses above mother moving average. It quickly crosses that 17,270 mark. And for this month, right now, as the month has started, you see these two lines are, so it is only one candle. For this month, this is a bigger cycle turning point 17,500 and above. So that's a midpoint of the monthly Gann trend change point. So keep all these levels in the mind. What is my bias? My bias looks like it wants to go higher, but there is a strict condition that I will turn quickly bearish or turn quickly short as it goes below 17,139 and 17,030. And this candle is also an important candle because it was a candle of last month, the last candle of the last month. So keep all these things in mind, and based on that, take your call. Now on the hourly chart, as I did on the Twitter space in the afternoon, today's all day it was struggling. It was a inside day. You can see that this was yesterday's candle. When I encapsulate, so this is a daily bar. So this was yesterday's bar, and this is a inside bar of yesterday's bar. When these kind of situations are there, then today's high, which is 17,250, and today's low, which is 17,036, these become very important. And now tomorrow and day after. So tomorrow is a weekly expiry. So anything can happen on the weekly expiry. The data are suggesting that it will be rigged. But day after tomorrow also moon is in the same sign. So suppose for some reason tomorrow doesn't happen anything. Day after tomorrow is going to be intense day. And watch the weekly options data the way I watch it. I always share with the people, and most of the people who are following me regularly, they know that how to watch the weekly data. And when you put those data with your technical analysis and planetary lines, it works very well. So this chart of hourly Nifty is telling me that tomorrow could be a possible upside day, and which could lead the prices to somewhere here, which is 17,350 or something like that. Now keep this line in the mind, which is again 17,270, the same line which we saw in the daily chart, and I spoke again the same number. So the same number will be here also on the hourly chart. So numbers won't change, the lines are the same. So keep this in mind. And for tomorrow, keep a tap on 17,140. This is a intraday planetary line. This is something I watch for intraday moves. So this is for Nifty for tomorrow, and I will try and give an update during the market hours, maybe going live and showing the charts, or maybe on the spaces the way I've been doing last 2-3 days. I found that very convenient and easy. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribing. And if you like, please do share with others. And once again, thank you for all your nice comments you have been putting all the time. I will try to put a video on stocks because I think few people think that it is needed. So I'll see the most voted stocks, and I'll cover those stocks. That's all. Thank you so much.